Welcome to our ultimate guide on superfoods. Today, we're diving into the top 10 superfoods to boost your health. In a world of processed foods, it's crucial to nourish our bodies with nutrient-rich foods. And that's where superfoods come in. Stick around to unlock the incredible power of superfoods together. First up, we have the mighty blueberry. These little guys are like nature's brain candy. And that's not just because they taste great. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which have been linked to improved cognitive function, memory, and even a reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline. Think of it like this. Every time you pop a handful of blueberries, you're giving your brain a powerful dose of protection and support. Next, we have a leafy green that deserves a royal trumpet fanfare: kale. This nutritional powerhouse is like a multivitamin in a single leaf, loaded with vitamins A, K, and C, plus iron and calcium. Vitamin A, crucial for vision and immunity. Vitamin K, essential for blood and bones, and vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Enjoy it in a salad, smoothie, or baked as chips. Now let's dive into the world of healthy fats with salmon. This fatty fish is a top source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Look, our bodies don't naturally produce omega-3s, so we need to get them from our diet, and salmon is one of the best ways to do just that. Whether you prefer it grilled, baked, or smoked, make sure to include salmon in your diet at least twice a week for optimal health benefits. Moving on to quinoa, a complete protein source that's also gluten-free. Unlike many plant-based proteins, quinoa provides all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need to build and repair tissues. It's also a good source of fiber, iron, and magnesium. Iron is crucial for carrying oxygen throughout your body, while magnesium plays a vital role in muscle function and energy production. Whether you use it as a base for your salads, a substitute for rice, or even in your breakfast porridge, quinoa is a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, especially soluble fiber, which absorbs water in your gut and forms a gel-like substance. Why is that important? Well, this gel helps slow down digestion, keeps you feeling fuller for longer, and promotes regular bowel movements. Whether you sprinkle them on your yogurt, blend them into your smoothies, or make a delicious chia seed pudding, these little seeds are a fantastic way to add a boost of fiber to your diet. Now, who doesn't love avocados? They're creamy, delicious, and packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, the kind that are good for your heart and cholesterol levels. But it doesn't stop there. Avocados are also a good source of potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure, and fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel full and satisfied. So, go ahead and enjoy that avocado toast, guacamole, or even add some slices to your salads. Your heart will thank you. Let's move on to sweet potatoes, a root vegetable that's not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. Sweet potatoes are famous for being an excellent source of beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. And vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, especially night vision. But that's not all, folks. Sweet potatoes are also packed with antioxidants and fiber, making them a fantastic addition to a healthy diet. Whether you roast them, mash them, or even use them in desserts, sweet potatoes are a versatile and delicious way to nourish your body. Turmeric, the golden spice that gives curry its vibrant color, is more than just a culinary delight. It contains a powerful compound called curcumin, known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health problems, from heart disease to cancer. But curcumin can help combat inflammation at the source, potentially reducing your risk of these conditions. Add a pinch of turmeric to your smoothies, soups, or stir-fries, or enjoy a warm cup of golden milk before bed to reap its amazing benefits. Next up, we have almonds, a delicious and nutritious snack that's perfect for boosting brain power. These nuts are an excellent source of healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats, which are linked to improved cognitive function and memory. But it doesn't stop there. Almonds are also a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage, and magnesium, which is essential for muscle function and energy production. So, next time you need a healthy snack, reach for a handful of almonds and give your brain a delicious boost. Let's raise a glass to green tea, enjoyed for centuries for its health benefits. Loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins, it boosts metabolism and promotes weight loss. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and focus. Manage your weight and improve your mood. Whether hot or cold, make it part of your daily routine. Experience the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about the top 10 superfoods you should be eating. Remember, incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet is one of the best things you can do for your health and well-being. Start by adding 1 or 2 superfoods to your meals each day and gradually increase the amount as you feel comfortable. Experiment with different recipes and find what you enjoy most. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and guides. Stay healthy and see you next time.